Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to create your own ebook or audiobook but didn't know where to start, this video is going to be a game changer. Today, I'm sharing something that can help you publish professional ebooks and audiobooks in just a few minutes without writing a single word. It's called Ebook Valet, and it's honestly one of the fastest ways I've seen to build authority, generate leads, and even earn passive income online. Let's be real. Writing a full ebook used to be exhausting. Hours of research, endless writing, dealing with design, formatting, and sometimes hiring expensive freelancers. And if you wanted an audiobook version, that meant more time, more money, and a lot of frustration. Ebook Valet removes all of that. It uses powerful AI to write, design, format, and even turn your ebook into a studio-quality audiobook automatically. All you need to do is log in, type your topic, choose the language and length, and within minutes, your finished ebook is ready. What I love about this tool is how simple it is. You can add your affiliate links, your own call to action, or links to your services, making it a smart way to build your email list or boost your sales. Plus, you can publish directly to platforms like Amazon Kindle to start making money right away. And if you don't want to start from scratch, there are dozens of pre-written ebooks in popular niches that you can use instantly. If you've been putting off creating digital products because it felt overwhelming, this is your shortcut. Check out Ebook Valet, give it a try, and you might be surprised how easy it is to launch your own ebook business. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.